Hello guys. Today we will see how to write a check. Let's go then. To write a check, follow these steps. Number 1. Date. Start by writing the date on the top right corner of the check. This can be the current date or a future date. Number 2. Payee. On the line that says pay to the order of, write the name of the person or business you want to pay. Make sure to use their full, legal name. Number 3. Amount in numbers. In the box to the right of the payee line, write the amount you want to pay using numbers. Be sure to include both dollars and cents, if applicable. Number 4. Amount in words. In the line below the payee line, write out the amount in words. This should match the numerical amount. For example, if you wrote $100.00 in numbers, you would write 100/100 in words. Number 5. Memo. Optional. In the memo line, you can write a note to remind yourself or the recipient of the purpose of the payment. This is optional. Number 6. Signature. Sign the check in the bottom right corner. Your signature should match the one the bank has on file. Number 7. Routing number. On the bottom left of the check, you'll find the bank's routing number. This number identifies your bank. Number 8. Account number. To the right of the routing number, you'll find your account number. This number identifies your specific account. Number 9. Check number. The top right and bottom right of the check usually display a check number. This number helps you keep track of your checks. Number 10. Tear the check. Carefully tear the check along the perforated line, if applicable. Remember to keep a record of the check in your checkbook register or financial records. Please note that it's crucial to double-check all the information to ensure accuracy. Mistakes on a check can lead to issues with payment processing. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share.